Hello, welcome to How to Webmaster. Today I want to show you this awesome website, thispersondoesnotexist.com. This is a website that will automatically generate a human face with AI technology. It is 100% unique. This face or image person does not exist in this world, and look how realistic it is. And every time you go to this website and refresh the page, you get a completely different, unique AI generated human face. Every single detail is so realistic, from young to old, kids, different types of persons, like businessmen, even priests, kids, college students. And you can basically use this as stock photos, and you can get a pretty high definition picture when you go to open image in new tab, and you can actually zoom in. It gives you a 1024 by 1024 size, so it's pretty high quality, similar to what you get from those stock photo websites. And you can save these by simply going to right click and then save image as a JPEG. So it's a really cool website. Check it out. I'll leave a link down below. I hope you will have some fun with this. Thanks again for watching.